Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to cut some glass, and in particular a narrow strip of glass that's about 1/4 inch. So a few things you're going to need: obviously a glass cutter, and this is a Craftsman. I've had this for 20-30 years probably. An adjustable wrench, some WD-40 and a tape measure, and a Sharpie. So once you make your marks on your glass, and you can line it up with a straight edge, and you don't want this straight edge to move, so you make sure you clamp it down good. So what you want to do is put a little bit of WD-40 on this Q-tip and run it along where you're going to be cutting. So that lubricates it and it helps it cut better. And you also want to start right on the edge and make one straight, smooth cut all the way across. Don't stop, don't hesitate, go straight across. So once you get that cut, or scored I should say, put your crescent wrench on here, or adjustable wrench, right on the edge of the line, and just twist it, just ever so slightly. And there's a 1/4 inch piece of glass, or mirror, and this happens to be 1/8 mirror. The WD-40 makes all the difference. It helps it cut better, and you could probably use other lubricants, but this is what I use. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.